I am the new healed whole Mother Earth. I am with you. By connecting with me, you are moving through this reality into your awakening with comfort and ease, with greater comfort and ease. St Germain of the violet flame, St Germain of this age is here with me now. His vibration is coming through, and he will speak in your hearts to you. The transmutational energy of the violet ray, the amethyst ray, the violet flame, is free for all of you today. Take it up as your mantle. You carry it forth as St Germain moves into a new position, holding a new vibration. The violet flame and the gifts he gives are yours to use. Use them, and use them regularly, and use them well. The gift of prayer, the gift of blessing, the gift of transmutation. Deep within your soul, you have forgotten your sovereignty and the divinity within, the divinity that allowed you to perform miracles, to heal, to bless. You all have that within you. Trusting it, using it, believing it is what activates it and releases it. Releasing it through the embodiment of love. Releasing it through the desire to heal, to hold, to help others, to love the self, to love others. I am St Germain, guardian of the violet flame. And so I would ask you now together to do the invocation for 2019. I have some information for you about this invocation. This invocation was brought through the words and the cadence of the words, the way they fit together and the way they move through your being brings in activations within the body. By saying it on a daily basis as many times as you can remember to say it, you are increasingly taking yourself through this year and creating a matrix within your body or a form within your body that can hold the greater light of this time. These invocations are designed to give you an inner matrix, an inner lining, if you would, within your chakras and within your system to hold the energy that comes in. The energy that came in last year is not the same as the energy that comes in this year. And as it comes in through the year, it builds a renewal and a newness on a daily basis. You are coming up to the halfway point of the year. The halfway point of the year for you starts in June. As that month comes up, the building of the first half of the year, of the saying of this invocation and the building of the energy by all those who have faithfully said it, is increasing a new shot of support for you as you move into the 1st of June, as you move into the month of June towards the summer, to the summer equinox, towards the balance of light and dark. So it's important that if you have forgotten to say it, you begin to say it now and say it every day for the rest of the year. Together we will say it now. We will say it tonight, repeating it one time, and for you to remember to say it at least 2 more times this evening before you take your sleep. In the name of compassion and the highest light, I love and accept myself unconditionally, and I grant myself forgiveness for all transgressions, real and imagined. Breathe in. In the name of compassion and the highest light, I love and accept others unconditionally, and I grant them forgiveness for all transgressions, real and imagined. Breathe in and out, and as you do, take a few moments to see anyone you need to forgive on a personal level, an international level, or global level, anyone in the news. Take a moment. Open the compassionate heart. With compassion and unconditional love, I call the divine light of my higher self to me now, with the full knowledge that I am changing from fear-based to love-based embodiment. I am St Germain. This is one of the most powerful lines. Fear-based to love-based embodiment. You are in the process of that change. I am love, I am love, I am love. In this moment, my soul purpose and I are one. I am love. In each moment of each day, I draw upon the divine grace, the divine love, the divine strength, and perfect wisdom that I am. I step into my mastery now. I am empowered now. I am love-based embodiment. Using the energy of this full moon, the awakened Buddha within you and the awakened Buddhas that have gone before you, and the energy of Jupiter focusing on the planet and the moon, draw this light into your body now with 3 ohms. There are many expressions of God Goddess in this circle. You are all reflecting the light of God Goddess out into one another's hearts. Placing your left hand on your heart and your right palm facing outward, allow yourself to feel the connection of this circle, the connection of the 30 or so people in the circle, and the connection of the divine beings that are drawn to the light that you convey, that you activate, that you release into the ethers. Breathing in, breathing out. One soft tone, feeling the vibration and expressing it through the tone of your voice. Connection, 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 and resurrection. Connection, 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 and resurrection. You are connecting to the awakened Buddha within you. You are resurrecting. All the masters that have gone forth on the earth have died and had a rebirth. An awakening, a rebirth, an opening, a shedding of the old self. You are shedding your old self and stepping forward. You are surrendering to that self. You are accepting that self, which allows you to release it. You cannot release something you do not accept. Finding something in yourself that is unacceptable is the place where you will fight, the place where you will struggle, the place where you will stress. By accepting that it's there and turning the eyes of love, bringing love towards that self, you soften it. It becomes a peel that can fall away and be part of the nourishment and the nourishment that your body and soul needs to live on this planet Earth and to achieve the rebirth that you have come to achieve. I am St Germain, dancing in the circle of light. I am St Germain with Mother Mary, with Kuan Yin, with the new healed whole Mother Earth tonight. I am St Germain. I release to all of you the violet flame. Bring it into your bodies. Shine it out your third eye. Focus the violet flame on something in your life that needs transforming. Hold the palms up to receive and focus now in silence using the power of this circle, the energy of your connection, your hearts, and your communion with the new healed whole Mother Earth and Divine Source.